Hello everyone, this is first video of our SFML project in C++. So this is our project that we are going to build. Let me explain some things. I have created all this in C++ using SFML library. You might have heard about SFML library, but anyone who is not aware about SFML, don't worry. First, I will explain what is SFML, then we will move forward. So SFML is a library that contains different types of header files like windows.hpp, graphics.hpp, etc. These header files allow you to create projects in GUI, graphical user interface. Using SFML, you can create many things like games, simulations, etc. So in this section, we will first set up SFML and learn basic syntax like how to acquire window. You can see we have a window here and what is going to be our sequence. Like in this mini project, we have different concepts. We have a PNG of background and we have animation of our character. We have bullet concepts, we have collision of bullets and enemy idle movement. So all these concepts we will learn in the upcoming videos, and step by step I will keep videos simple and short so that you can implement if you are going to build such projects